Bring us home. Hello, 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 hello! Wow! Dad jokes, dad jokes.
Dad jokes.
Mother's Day, my wife asked me why I did not water flowers.
So what did you say? What was your excuse?
I didn't know she sold flowers. Loko. Hole 11, mukhang safe naman. Kaya tayo lang tayo. Hole 11. May bola sa cart pass pa kasi yun. Feeling ko nalaglag dito, tapos nag-roll down. Ang cute oh. Nice. The famous sa putting contest. Suabe. Come on, partner. Yes, suabe. Finally. Oh, finally! Yan na. Nice. Minute na, partner. Alright.
Nice, partner.
Back 9 guy.
Intimidate. I like the fighting spirit.
Siyempre.
Kasi sanay ka.
Uy! Finally! Ano? Captured on vlog!
Walang naman. There is no water. Kinakain ni Mark yan. Kinakain ni Mark. Oh! Whoa! Nice draw.
Ito na yung hinihintay nating makakapag hindi lang garupa. Ay, that's how it ended up. Nice bounce. Alright, partner. Ang kukurap badap ay. Patay tayo. Whoop. Yun. Okay. Bring us home. Hello. 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 Verdi. Tama sila ka, di ba? Kanina ni Mario, nabalatan ni isda.
Nabalatan na eh.
Kailangan
na lutuin.
Nasabawan na yung kay Monty. Ngayon, naprito na, ready to serve.
Mark, ulam na tayo.
Ulam na tayo. Yun lang. Nice par. Nice. Sabog niya to kasi hindi tinapon yung birdie ball niya. It's either he will make the myth or break the myth. Tignan natin si Harold, hindi tinapon yung bola niya na birdie ball. So according to our pamahiin, kailangan itapon niya para hindi sumabog. Tignan natin. Oh, it's either you make the myth or they break the myth. Oh.
Danger.
Bakit?
Tuk-tuk eh.
Let's draw. Yun.
Bunker. Hey. Bunker.
Alam na this.
Marunong.
Marunong na.
Sa birdie to eh.
Kaya pala eh.
Mag-isasabihin natin na natin.
Kaya pala diretso na eh.
Ayun, nakatakas.
Tindi. Pay respect to the myth, partner. Kala namin may isahan namin, hindi namin sinabi. Yung pala, nagpalit na siya ng bola. This is a birthday ball. Sayang, partner. Harold, second shot. Nice shot. Ganda ng compression. Uy. Good second. Be careful with this guy. He's on a roll. Yeah, ba? Just don't eat chicken. You'll chicken out. Harold first third. Good one. Nag-throw lang. Stay. Yun. Left. Sad. Uy. Bilis.
Uy!
Mahina.
Oy! Yun!
Boom! Yun ang draw. Ayan na. Swerte to. Panghuli. Yun ang hole in one. Yun ang diretso. Tumango siya eh.
Tumango yun. Good shot.
Shot.
Layo. Ay, naku Mark. Up mo. Isa pa. Sayang.
Na. Mukhang kaya nga, mukhang magdadalawang ano tayo nito ah. Ito pa. What?
Sayang. Yan.
Ay! Yung camouflage nyo. Wow. Akala ko ganito siya oh. Tapos biglang ito pala. Grabe no, kakulay niya oh. Galing. Wow, sarap ko rin butyan. Kung di mo sinabi, hindi ko mapapansin. Forward! Ang tao. Wala. Stay! Dad jokes. During Mother's Day, my wife asked me why I did not bought her flowers.
What did you say? What was your excuse?
I didn't know she sold flowers.
Loko.
Yun!
Shot. Ganda ng draw. Wow. Para shot.
Talaga. Tayo yata sabay natin naglaro ng pare. flowers doon. Nagkaganda rin. So ito, Kubuana. Sa orchid, well, orchid. Safe. Flag. Golfer. Ganda. Hoy, lumagpas ka yata. Parang too much left. Yun.
What? Shot. Fabulous. Ping XG kaya.
I gotta get this. Buhay from the man himself. These shots come few and far between. Let's see what Harold Spieth. Ooh. Okay, one more time. Nice. Let's see, he's trying to get his balance right. All right, good out. There, back to the fairway. Good out. All right.
What a shot!
What a shot! What a recovery! Ball, flag, Harold. Good one. Nice partner. Yun. Saan bola kayo? Seto? Bah. Pwede.
Yun ang maabot oh.
Uy.
In the hole.
Take it away. Thank you, sir. Ay, wala pa rin. Oh,
Fucker.
oh, okay. Grounded lang. Doon, ganda. Ganda. Bang! Okay.
Go down in direction. Okay. Yeah.
Another fish coming. Ito pala eh, tikit lang pala eh. Oo nga. Sakto pala yung distance niya. Ball flat. Nice one. Yun.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Woo! Yes! Napagkaalaman na. Mario for his fourth. There's the flag.
lang, sir.
Last minute.
Putris ka, oh. Ay! Ala ko tatama. Mabilis lang, hindi pa lumiko.
Extra rice and drinks. 400 meter. Ito na yon. Cross. Yun.
Dito ng drop zone talaga, sa kabila.
Puta naman talaga, doon pa nagmintis. Sorry.
3 on 1 pat yun pa. Yan ang spirit.
Wala dun sa
Yun oh. What in the... Yeah. Bakit? Bumangker? Bumangker?
Good bang.
What?
Dapat
Yes.
always back eh. Pero pa naman kayo.
Ganda. Solid.
Sir, the driving range is there, not here.
Parang basketball na to.
The driving range is there. Wala kang grip. Ikaw ba saan ka may ano? What a shot! Wow! Grabe! Sir, there's the driving range.
Plug ba? Plug? Stance. Naku. Kayang-kaya yan. Oh, na ganyan ako kanina. Kayang-kaya yan. Kasi ha. Wow! On the green! Caught on camera na!